because this is what I'm seeing. A second. Hey. Anyone caught it?
Caught what?
That long.
I'm holding it right now.
Oh shit. Oh look, it left without us.
Well, if you were in the stream, from your stream in the morning, and then we were in Rakil's stream, and then now we're just kind of continuing off where we,
Yeah.
we're looking at the buys above the one above 426, right?
Yep.
So right now I'm just wondering what to do, like take profit or fuck.
No, not
Should I
yet,
wait?
I think. You have a lot of space going up. Just give me a while.
Pardon?
I think you still have a lot of space. Till 850.
Like
So
you think that we could fill that?
yes. Because it's clean on the left.
Yeah.
So the thing is,
Okay.
I didn't take it. Because if I wanted to take it, right, it will be
Yeah.
off the bottom of that
Yeah.
4 hour zone here. So I think Kerwin took this. He took it right when it formed support, and then when it broke, he took it up. But yeah, but
Yes.
it's risky to me because this whole area is just a whole bunch of mess. So I mean, he also said that it was risky. So I think for Raja, his buy stop was held here. I mean,
Yeah.
if you are expecting that the New York, the 4 hour candle close volume to come in, plus the New York open
Yeah.
to come in to push your price up, then yes, you would put a buy stop there. But for
Yeah.
me, it was risky because I saw how price rejected it so many times. So I
Yeah.
was actually waiting for the retest. So in this case, right, initially I wanted to take this candle here. So this was the one that
Yeah.
broke and then shot and then hit 850, right?
Yeah.
So on this
Yeah.
candle, I wanted to take it on the 15-minute close. But now my risk reward is a bit messed up.
Oh,
So
you see what
yes.
I did was
Yeah.
I waited for the so I waited for that on the same candle you waited,
Yeah.
right? But I was on the 1 minute
Ah.
looking at the where it's gonna like start pulling back,
Yeah.
So 365 is where it kind of like tapped out. So I got in at like right above it. I seen one bullish candle on the 1 minute there, and then the other one, uh, thing.
This one here.
Yeah, no, the one right before it, that was the bullish one I seen,
Mm.
and I got in on the next one when it broke the high.
Okay.
Yeah, so I got in right at 400, like on the dot.
Yeah. Risky though.
Yeah, definitely risky.
Yeah. But if you are in long already, you have
Yeah.
space. So just leave it. It will feel
Okay.
the wick. You will feel it. Look on the left, there's
Yeah,
nothing in the way for you, man.
because I could tell you 90%, like 99% of the time, I'll close it right here, and like I'm okay with it, right? But
Mm.
at the same time, I'm losing out. Like, you know what I mean?
Why would you
I'm
be
losing
losing out though? Or if you close it?
because yeah. So let's say I close this here now, right?
Mm.
But let's say like previously, one of my other trades, let's say I was trying to get in at the bottom there at 136.8,
Mm-hmm.
but let's say I got in at 137.100, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then that little pullback to 137.8, because sometimes I don't close that, right? Knowing that at 800 is another psychological level, right?
Yep.
So like what I'm saying is I'll close this one early because it's in profit, but I won't close the other one early
Oh,
when it's
okay.
negative.
Okay.
But if
Yes.
I had not closed the positive one, then the negative one wouldn't be like, it wouldn't be a problem, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So like,
So I kind of skew my risk to reward like that
yeah, for
every
sure.
time.
So now that candle's chilling a bit, you probably will have entry. So the thing is, if we look at the 1 hour, right,
Mm-hmm.
it's clean all the way till possibly 138,200 even.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I am considering entering half first, and then I will
Okay.
see how the 30-minute closes, because there is also the risk that this would flip down and then form support and go back up because of the Canadian news.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so for me, that it affects the position that I'm taking now as well because I'm going into news. So that's why I'm only going to enter half risk if I were to take this close.
I got you.
Yeah. But definitely 850 should hit. Unless we are so adverse on the candy news, then I have no comments.
I was not expecting it to shoot up like
Yep.
that.
No one was.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was not like the funny thing is I saw a lot of people trying to buy GJ at 136.8 and then 137, right?
Yep.
And because of yesterday it stopped there, right?
Yep.
So it's like those people, they were just buying because it's at the bottom, you know what I mean? They're just kind of like catching a falling knife.
Yep.
But then when you have a move like this, it works in their favor, you know?
Yeah, and then it builds bad habits.
Yeah, then it builds bad habits. So
Yeah.
then, it's like they won by accident.
Yeah. I'm not entering, I'm just measuring.
Okay.
FYI. In case someone sees me pressing and then they're like, oh, L entered. Then they slam on that.
Hey, you should use the ruler for measuring, you know?
I have it here on the chart, right? Is that what you meant?
No, I
I already
meant
have it.
uh like I mean, you see how like you're measuring like this, right? Somebody who just logged in right now might think you're already in a position and boom, boom, boom.
Oh,
Like
no,
click,
I'm
click,
not
click.
in a position. I have
Yeah.
not executed. I am measuring.
Well, I mean, we have our usual 16 people, from
Yes, I
Zoom,
think
so
they
it's
know.
yeah, they know. They're not the gulag. Oh,
Yes, okay, so now I am not entering because he has gone.
yeah.
Yep. But I was just thinking how Raja
Oh.
actually managed to slam on magic key so fast.
Yeah, I just slammed on magic keys myself.
Yeah, you literally just slam on it, right? You don't even take a
Like-
proper entry, I think. You just slam on it.
Yeah, I just slammed and closed like while you were saying that.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
crazy.
yeah. Yeah, so honestly, to me, it's not that it's a bad trade, but there was no proper setup. Oh, bye-bye, GG.
Yeah,
Yeah, bye.
Yes. You can slam on the buy and sell on this. You can slam on this.
maybe should have slammed slower. Then I would have got the full wick fill, I guess.
Yeah, I should have slammed a little. I'm clicking, but
Yeah, there
I
you
got
go,
a little
Gee. So
scared.
you reached your take profit already.
Yeah, reach
Yeah.
that. Mine's closed.
For sure, you would hit it.
Thank you, Al.
Stay in. I'll keep
So
you
what happened
in.
was on the 5 minutes and the 1 minute, it also looked like the candles were really small, really small, really small.
Yes.
And then all of a sudden you see a big one. That's where I started slamming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you slam on a big one, right, you need to exit the trade quick because if it retraces, it's going to retrace really, really fast. So you'll be toot after that.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yes. So, Justin, I don't know whether you heard my explanation because you were asking me earlier, right? So, okay, I'll explain again because I think some of the YouTube people just turned up. I didn't enter. Okay, I better clear that box. So I think Raja entered at 137,400 with a buy stop. To me, it was risky. Because it rejected so many times. So I was waiting for a buy and retest. So originally, the 15-minute already retested with the wick. So I was waiting to get in on the close, but then it flew. So it is what it is. And that being said, there's also high impact news coming. So I
You know
will
what
wait.
the worst part is, Al?
Yeah.
This morning my gold buys hit my stop loss.
Oh
which
yes,
was
and
at
then now
1920.
oh shit.
Yeah, and look, now it's gonna go hit the fucking take profit.
Oh my god. Yeah, I saw it just now when Raja was talking about it. I was like, oh, it's coming to your stop loss. Then bye bye.
Yeah, because even that see that bullish
You could have got
candle?
in though.
Yeah, that one, I saw that one and I was like, okay, you know what? It hit my stop, but it still closed above the 1923, right?
Yeah.
And then from there I just kind of like lost confidence in it and I was like, man, gold,
Yeah.
man.
Zhao, the link is the Discord link. Click it. The Zoom link is inside. Then add yourself to the Discord. Yeah, sick. You could have gave your trade a second chance here because it held that zone.
Yeah.
Yeah. But oh well, you got GJ, so
Yeah, at least I got GJ, you know, with
yeah.
your help.
Gunturo wondering will cat news affect GJ? There is, I don't see a correlation, but I've seen it affect GJ. I don't know why yet. I will find out. I'm curious too because it's interesting that it has no correlation but it affects GJ. Got in after the week and caught like 20 pips. Nice. Yeah. Oh, Jao, you see the Discord link on your YouTube screen in the middle? Just type in that link and then you'll get added to the Discord. The Zoom link is inside. Well, we have 1.5 hours more. So
When is the news for CAD?
in
10 minutes?
no, in 40 minutes.
Oh, 40.
Yeah, so we chill. That's why I said you could hold it. Because you would be clear of it, I think.
Yeah.
This wick is just asking to get filled. Because it barely has a bottom wick on the 15. Yeah, and then the next retest, we tested higher. Okay, it's hanging. Hang on. Yeah, so if we look at the 15, right? This was the candle that broke. And then this retest was retested that 4 hour zone plus the low is higher than the previous low of the breakout candle.
Yeah.
So there's bullish pressure here. So there we go. Just now I was in Raja's gulag. Oh man, his gulag is so horrid. My YouTube gang is so nice.
I have to quit that Slack group. Like, it's too many notifications coming on.
The Slack group, they're probably
Yeah,
like,
I have to close Slack. It's too much.
yeah, they're probably like, ooh, 30 pips, ooh, 20 pips.
Yeah.
Chill, guys. Yes, like going nuts. Oh man, you have you have magic keys, but you lost the chip. Oh shit! It's like you have no magic keys now. Just slam the MT5 button here. Slam it. Slam it 5 times. So let's see. If it continues pushing, I would like for it to break 138,200 today. At the rate it is pushing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we will be in the clear, and then let's take it for even bigger move to 139,700.
Oh shit! You think you could do something like that?
If we look at the 1 hour, yes, very very clean above 138,200, based on recent price action. So the reason why I left my zones here is because, yes, it might cause some pause, like it might consolidate for a bit, but I would keep calm and hold on to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the thing was, just now I was short bias before I left the stream, right?
Yeah.
So I was trying to figure out like how I could have got in short. So just now I sent the chart to Raja. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so earlier my short idea was here.
Yeah.
On a 1 hour. Yeah, but I think it's like huge. It's a huge stop loss that Raja would never consider, because it's a 20 something, I think it was like 28, 27 pip stop loss. Yeah, but based on how I understand candles and price action, right? If we look at all the rejections on the left, and these are all 1 hour candles, mind you. So reject, reject, reject. This one rejected, and then close bearish. So we know that like 1 hour closes are strong, and then because it came off rejecting that 4 hour zone into a 1 hour zone, it should just break it. So this wick here might have made me sweat a bit because it was very deep. But then I think just now Evan said that Boris was talking. I think that's what caused it. But 1 hour zones, 1 hour's highs usually hold better than a 30-minute high. So yeah, that was the short idea, and EJ is just a monster.
That's interesting. I think like 1 hour stops and take profits are usually bigger, right? Like 20 pips sounds right for 1 hour.
Yep, but so just adjust your position sizing accordingly, and I think you should be good to take it actually. Like, why not? Unless you tell me you only take 10 pip profits, then yes, don't take this short, because then your risk reward will be negative, right?
Right.
Yeah. But it looks, I mean, let me know what you guys think, because I understand that this 1 hour zone is in the way, but we're coming off 4 hour into 1 hour.
Yeah, it makes sense, but I don't think I would have taken it. I don't know how that candle played out, if it went up first or if it just went down and retraced later or something.
It went down a little and then it went up.
I think if it goes up and then comes all the way down, when it comes down and breaks the zone, then maybe I would take it.
Yeah, so if it went down first and then up, right, then I would have cut half.
Right,
So,
exactly.
Yeah, so that's the thing. So this trade was definitely risky, but that was how I saw a potential entry at that time. Plus, earlier, my zone was here. So it was like this. Okay, and then a bit messy. So it was like this because how I saw it was, this was 1 hour support, came down, broke, and then it became resistance. So this candle here, so if I draw it like this, you would take it.
Yeah, then I would take it, because then it clearly rejected, right? Coming down.
And then it
okay,
broke.
I see that now.
Yeah, so my zone was like this, that's why I took it. Then Raja mentioned, so that's the thing about zones, they can be subjective as well. So he mentioned that it should be here because this is the most resistant support, right? So then the question now is, why is this not back here? Yeah, so this whole area, at the end of the day, this whole area is just problematic. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, but you see what I mean if the zone was here, right?
Yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah, so it depends on how you draw the zones. But, well, it's just something to learn. And I think on the, let me see, just now I saw something else as well. It was EJ. Yeah, so on EJ did the same thing as what GJ did. Like, break, and then this candle came back to test with a higher low compared to the previous breakout candle. So this could have been a potential entry as well. Break, and then test. Yeah, and this was going into the New York open volume, so that's why I looked at this candle here.
Actually, this pattern looks like gold on the 30 minutes. The way the candle sizes are looking.
Yeah, don't remind Guy of gold.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
No, but yeah, it's the same theory. So I was telling him like, this could have been a re-entry on his original idea. Same as yours, Font. Yeah. This whole
I don't
area
even want
here.
to hear gold.
This whole area here is just messy. But yeah, now we're breaking 850. So let's see. The buy limit on the opening or 15-minute and it not triggered. Oh, did you miss it by a few pips? Probably spreads, I think. Spreads definitely would have widened. You were slow on GJ. GU could have been the trade to take. It's the same idea of the 4 hour from the bottom. Because this was definitely a fake out. And this was much more obvious. Are you still in GJG? Nice, John. Still going. Oh no, it doesn't. The NYC hourly wick fill doesn't happen all the time, but it's just that this was right in the midst of all the volume. That's why it should fill the wick. It's only because of volume. Thank you, John. Oh, I like this retracement actually. I'm hoping it goes above and clears all this area, or at least gives me a retest here. Around 137,850 for me to get in long. Hi, Julian. I see you caught that long just now. Oh. Yeah. GJ,
Do you think that
yeah?
since we broke into the zone now that we're going to touch the top of it, or should we
200 here?
Yeah, because if we break into a zone, maybe it's not like gonna be a one candle move, but like a slow grind kind of thing.
Now, because there's a lot of volume, I think it would just go. So there, I'm looking on the 15 because the momentum is definitely strong now. So I'm seeing that there's a minor support here over from the left. So if it breaks above, right, we should go all the way till 400.
Yeah, I guess we'd have to wait for closes at this point.
Yeah, you could consider impulse entries, which is definitely risky, but you'll be riding on that bullish momentum because the 15-minute candle now has already tested that zone. So technically, if you want to be a bit anal about this candle here broke above and closed above. So this candle already came back, retested, and now if it breaks the previous wick, right, that could possibly be an entry like this as well. So to 400. It's an impulse. Something like that. But it's gonna be super risky, I feel.
Yeah, the candle's just opened.
Yeah, because the candle is open, plus because you'll be placing your stop loss really tight below a 15-minute candle, which I don't like. Hi Gregos. Did you guys take the Wakefield move? I didn't. But I think some of them caught it. Mike. Yeah. That Wakefield was a nice surprise for everyone. It was like a 6. How much? Wow, like 50 plus big move. Yeah, I took a loss earlier in London as well, coming down. I was early on my shot. And then it came down. So annoying. I was in short earlier here. Where's the close? Yeah, so I was in short here. So let me redraw my zone. Earlier during London, I was short like this. So this candle close bearish, I short here. And then I got wicked by this one. And then 1 hour later it came down. Why don't you like your stop loss below the 15-minute? 15-minute. The 15-minute isn't strong. I think you can hold it below the 15-minute stop loss now because there's a zone in the way to kind of protect you if it makes sense. But it's definitely risky because if you were to take an impulse move, firstly the candle didn't even close. It just broke above that wick, indicating that yes, it does have the buying pressure, but there's also a minor resistance here if we look at to the left. So it's just overall risky. I took that same sell to try to test the low, and it was funny because I was looking at that and then hopped on. Yeah, I was early. Remember how I told you guys I only take trades after 5:30? I think I got punished. That was a 5 o'clock close. Yeah, I was trying to see how I could have avoided the wicks. There was no way I could have avoided this wick. Because even if I were to place my stop loss above this wick, right, it would be so large that my risk reward doesn't make sense anymore. So it is what it is. I just had to enter again.
Wow. It like price on the moves so fast. Oh my god. Like I was looking to take a sell at the 137.9 where you got the resistance there.
This one here?
And it's already gone down like 20 pips. Yeah, I was just waiting for the 5 minute to close.
Yeah.
And
it's a 4-hour zone. That's why.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
Because I just thought, 137.9 was probably the high of the 4-hour.
Yeah.
So, we gotta. There's only two directions price can go, up or down.
Yeah. It has to pause for a bit, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Julian, I only took GJ, yes. Let's assume I have buy position around 137,400. Where do you think will be good TP? I think once the price is in between 379 and 182. Yeah, this area is definitely problematic. I think just now I was telling Guy to hold on to his trade because it will touch this area. So I hope you secured some here. If not,
oh yeah, I closed everything. Yeah. And I clicked it while it was moving so fast, so I even probably lost 7 pips on one of the positions. And then one position was 7 pips lower than the other.
It's okay. I actually think, right, so Gunturo, sorry if I butchered your name, I think it's just a pause before it goes higher actually. Yeah, so I thought you would secure some and not close the whole thing. I'm sorry if I made you close. Yeah, Zhao, definitely anything above 138,400 for me, because this area is the top of the resistance, and then on the daily, I think, so if we look at the daily, right, this was support. So when price broke, it came back down to test this part as support. So I would prefer for it to be cleaner above 138,400. Yeah, so now this pause is good for the rest of us. Yeah.
So Al, how do we possibly look for another entry?
Yeah, now I'm just waiting. So this 15-minute candle, I want it to close bearish, and then the next 15-minute candle should close bullish, and then I'll have my entry to go back up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if the next candle closes bullish, then depending on where it closes, and I'll look to take it all the way to 400.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the same.
Yeah.
Just with the momentum, from today, quite a bit of momentum we got here. We cleared out almost. Sorry, could you go back to that smaller time frame?
Yeah.
Yeah, we cleared out the whole day's range kind of thing. Even if you scroll back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So remember,
yesterday's the whole session not yesterday, sorry, that session break right there is from today, right? Yeah, so we cleared out all of today's price that we were looking at.
So yesterday I was mentioning what's a strong trend and what's a weak trend, right? So now in this case, the 1 hour earlier closed bullish, and the next one's gonna close bullish. The 4 hour also was bullish, and now this 4 hour current candle is breaking above its wick. So now we're in a strong bullish trend. So we're going up.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's what I think. And I think Niranjan said yesterday that we are going to clear the candles up. We're going to correct the move.
Yeah, I think at this point I'm just going to call today because...
you don't want to give back profits.
No, it was good trades, and I think the 4 hour, even if we close this 4 hour where we are here or a little higher, then the next 4 hour can retrace or do whatever, shaky business, maybe build some support or resistance. And I don't think I want to be a part of that.
Yeah, that's for sure.
So I might just chill, close my MT5 and just watch the charts.
Close the thing so that when you open it, it takes a while.
Yep.
If you're already in profit, it's good. It's for us to catch. Let's see, I was gonna take a J once the 15-minute close above that zone. Around 13744. Ooh, and then it ran up. Yep, I missed it too. Plus this move going up, right, it's actually harder because we have this mess on the left to clear as well. That's why I want support to be formed here. Daily has a 90 pick week. Julian, I caught neither. Neither. I was too slow on it. But I did, so I had the same idea as you. So when this 15-minute candle actually retested, right, I wanted to enter, but then it moved without me. It was very fast.
Okay, nice. We got the close.
Yeah, it closed as a doji.
Yeah, which just means like kind of like, nothing happened, right?
As what Raja says, okay, so the thing is, it's a bullish doji, so that's even better.
Yeah. So where are you looking to enter here?
I need to see how this candle closes, and then I'll enter.
Okay.
Yeah, because if it flips and then it becomes bearish, there's no entry. But if it becomes bullish and then it closes, then I'll look to enter. But I need to check my risk reward because I think it might push when the news comes out.
You need to check your what?
I need to check the risk reward first.
Oh, risk
yeah, because
reward,
if it pushes and then it goes right in the middle, right, and then my risk reward is like messed up, I'm not gonna take it just because I need to take a trade. No.
Yeah.
So yeah, because there's also news coming in 13 minutes.
Yeah, I'm just yeah, I mean, shit, this price could do anything really now, right?
Yeah,
It's already moved.
Yeah, so see, it's even wicking that minor support that I drew earlier, so I'm a bit more wary now. The candles are small. They are not like this anymore, so there's a bit of volume out of the market.
Well, they're small, but we haven't gotten like a bearish candle rejection,
Yeah, not yet.
Yeah, so I guess that's what we're waiting for.
Yeah, Spoonman. 5-minute looks to be making support at 137,750. Yes, this one here. So if you look at this, it was previous resistance, now as support. It could go up, but if I'm coming in, so the 5 minutes is weaker than the 15, right? So if I'm coming and banging into a 15-minute resistance, which is supposedly stronger, then I wouldn't take that support. But I don't trade the 5-minute.
Yeah.
I mean, there are structures that form, and if you have a very tight take profit and stop loss, then yes, 5-minute works. But I am a bit of a swing trader, so I am willing to take a 20 pip stop. Yes. It's okay, Julian. It's only Wednesday. We have Thursday. And we are up for the week, I think. We should all be up for the week. So tomorrow, tomorrow is going to be not very good for us.
Why is that?
So tomorrow's move might be later. So when there's jobs news, I get the date right. Yeah. So when there's jobs, so there's ECB news. Firstly, it shouldn't really affect GJ. I'm definitely not touching EJ. And then we have their press conference. And then when we have drops news, usually the market just chops around before that.
Yeah.
So from 5 till like when Raja comes on, there's probably not going to be much until after the news.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the good thing is we have a lot of space to clear going up.
Yep.
Yeah. I wonder how many magic keys Raja sold just now when he managed to chase that candle. Oh, nice discipline. Oh. Okay, bye bye. Enjoy your studies. See you tomorrow. So now this 15-minute candle is doing what the previous 15-minute candle was supposed to do. It's supposed to break the high and then continue up, right? So if it closes bullish, you can consider entries long. Oh, everything is going without me today. So
It's gone?
yes, I think the only way was an impulse entry in when it broke the wick. Because if we look at the doji, right, on the 15-minute, this doji was a pause. So so technically you can take it as the doji is like the first formation of the new support. So when it broke above it, then there was your impulse entry to go up. So it's still going.
Oh.
Yes, Jao, it was risky due to resistance. Yeah, that's why I didn't take it. This. Okay. Do you see this GJ move as a minor 4-hour pullback or a full-on reversal? Let's see. Beirut, I think it comes till 400 tonight. And then once it breaks above that, right, we are going till 700. 700. I don't know if there's a way to close partials on MT5 desktop. Yeah. So okay, let me do it on demo. So if it's like this. So for example, if it's like this, right, Mike? If you want to close, just double click on it and then change the lot size here. So let's say if I only wanted to close half, there you go. Yep. Jocelyn, you're still using MT4. Yes, MT5 is a lot more stable. So choose a broker that has MT5 if you can. MT4 is a bit laggy. How do you pop up that bar? What bar? Maybe stops above 13819. And then looking for buys. Yeah. There's news. There's high impact news coming as well. Yeah, Jocelyn, once you look at MT5's platform, you will understand why I say it's less sucky. Execution's a lot faster. MT4 lags sometimes. Ooh, Raja texted me. No.
Oh, 1 minute till news, right?
Yes, 1 minute to news.
I'm expecting like some sort of, pull up and then just drop.
Yeah,
because I'm bullish on the CAD.
Oh.
I mean, we'll see. Oh, not with GJ, by the way. Not with GJ. I'm talking about USD CAD.
Dollar cat.
Yeah.
Set resistance on the 4 hour. Yeah. Bam.
Yeah, 3 2 what was it?
I think it's
3 2 4.
yeah, around there.
Yeah, that's about the range I have.
Yeah, support broke, became resistance, so yeah, it really broke. So I think it's just waiting to drop further. So it should come down clean till 308. Never really traded dollar cat though. But I know you respect structure quite well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And spreads are not bad on it.
Oh, you think it should come down to 308?
3-1. So 3-1-4
Oh,
first.
313.
Yeah,
Oh,
3-1-4
nice.
first. Around there. So yeah.
Yeah.
Around this area, and then see, it's already coming. Oh, was it? Must have been positive. Yep. Let's see. That must have been positive. News is not out yet.
Oh, news is not out yet?
No, it's not showing. As in, I think it's out, it's just not showing.
Yeah, because I'm...
Oh, yeah, there we go. Eh, no, it's not out yet. Hello.
Oh, shit.
It's hanging. Well, last time I used to use this other website also. Let's see.
What the hell? The price started dropping before news even came out.
Yep. Some bank had new, like... Some bank had insider news.
Damn.
It reflects on their Bloomberg like a few seconds earlier. Before it gets pushed to us.
That's not good.
It's good because if they're
hopefully
selling,
they get exposed.
if they're selling, then we just ride on their train. We just have to cut it at the right time.
Yeah. Because I got in the sell there at 3.19. And then before that candle started going down.
Oh, look at GJ. Sorry.
What's going on? Oh,
it's
it
pushing.
reached 200?
Yeah.
Man.
That's why I was like, 400 shouldn't be a problem tonight. You got in. Let's see how big is this range. 20. Where did you get in on dollar cat? Let's see.
32 seconds?
Dollar cat. Where did you get in? At 32?
I got in at 131.965.
131.965. Oh, nice. On the wick, when you broke near the wicks.
Yeah, right as it was going down. Like right before it broke down. But then you told me news didn't come out yet, so I just fucking closed it.
Oh, no. Shit. Oh man, it's gonna fall. As in, it's not showing yet. It's out, but it's not showing.
Oh,
you know how the... Yeah, sorry, my bad.
Oh.
My bad. But you closed it in profits, right?
Yeah, closing profit.
Oh, I thought you would hold it till like 313 if you were in short. Like, what are you using?
Oh.
Yeah, so it's equal now. Just now it's blank. Ugh. Yeah, there. It's equal. They didn't do anything. So it's positive for Candy. Ila, still in GJ's trade. Yeah. Should be good all the way till 138,400. You spam the refresh button. I think my internet might be a bit slower because I'm streaming everything. Let's check. 138,400. Yes. No, I didn't, Sandra. I missed. I missed this one here. Okay. No, Evan, I didn't catch anything. Yep, nothing, Evan. Yes, Ella, you are right. Miss today, you win tomorrow. It's okay. Yep, it bounced off the 4-hour support at the bottom, so if you come off a higher time frame zone, you should break the lower time frame zone. And then, but this move was unexpected though, the push. Yeah. So other than that, tomorrow I don't see anything else. Okay. Yes. Oh, did I reply Beirut? Beirut, did I reply you? I forgot. Do you see this GJ move as a minor for our pullback? Oh, I think I did. I think it will retrace to 139,700 by the end of the week. Yeah, I think I replied. So this area here on the left, so if this candle closes bearish, right, it means this 4-hour slash daily zone is holding. So those in profits, please secure some. I'm still bearish based on fundamentals. Based on UK fundamentals. Yeah, but if you're scalping, fundamentals don't really affect you that much, right? Because you would read it off lower time frame structures. Yeah, so those in profits, please take your profits. It's breaking. Wow, Raja's stream has a lot of like people looking to advertise their platform. I just got spammed. Mm-hmm. Pablo, you see the Discord link on the so everyone, if you see the Discord link on the screen, just click and join, okay? I'm gonna stop by that 15-minute wait. Good call. I feel like it's gonna be like yesterday, Mike. Where you got stopped and then it continues up. Joycelyn, the name of the software I use to journal is called Notion. So if this 15-minute closes below the 4-hour zone that I have at 8:50 and below the previous 15-minute wick, right, I would be careful with the trades that you have if you are still long. That's my 2 cents. If you are still long, protect your profits. Roshan, are these streams gonna continue every weekday? Yes. So my stream timings, if you're not on YouTube, so it's 5 to Raja, and then Raja till 11. So I have 2 streams because in the middle I am on Raja's. I used to use the trading shop strategy on 30-minute instead of 15, which would prevent that. But I noticed I could secure more. Yeah, I used to do the 32 and then I lost a bit of profits. That's why I tried the 15. But 15 gets you stopped out earlier as well. So I guess you gotta be ready to go in again. Bye, Gregos. Thank you. See you tomorrow. When did I start streaming? Last week? Last Monday?
Hey, Al, we're gonna be doing this every day, right?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna be trading anyway, so join me.
I will.
Yeah.
Definitely.
If for some reason.
I'm gonna go for now.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Sorry, you were saying?
Oh no, I was gonna say like if for some reason like on that day I cannot stream, I'll probably put an announcement inside. That's why I set it up.
Yeah, that's cool.
So you guys can all see everything, right? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll just put something there. Contour will be my new ritual.
Yeah, Ogi, we're all in Rakil's stream during his session.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, but he just likes to keep the stream muted.
It's better because his stream is so big. He has like 200 plus people in Zoom.
Yeah.
And thousands of people in his YouTube chat. It's insane.
Some days, like, yeah, we even had to get him to upgrade the Zoom to like 500 plus.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that stuff's crazy over there, you know?
Yep.
Oh yeah,
There's
this
a
15-minute candle. Sorry.
Huh?
No.
This 15-minute candle right here, where it breaks the high and breaks the low between zones, that's usually the start of like a support.
Yep. So I'm watching this next one. So just now I was waiting for like support to form, right? It didn't form, it pushed. So maybe now I might have a chance to continue longer, and maybe Mike can add on if it closes bullish. OG, yes, I do trade during Raja's session if anything forms. I just don't stream because he's streaming. Makes no sense. I'll probably have like no audience if I stream at his time. Are you heading off?
Oh yeah, I was supposed to be heading off.
Yeah, I thought you were about to head off.
Hey, then you know, I like to watch price develop as well, you know.
Yeah, and you can just hang around to the close.
Yeah.
Yesterday's close did nothing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it did nothing. It just chopped here. And then overnight it fell.
Yeah, I held, like, you see, even after trading for so long, it's like there's still like the conditions change, right? They're always like dynamically changing. Like some days you might have a trending trending day where price is just continuing to go one way the whole night, and you can hold your runner, you know. And then some days it's like, so last night I was holding my gold trade the whole night, and I woke up this morning, I was in profits, you know. Well, it was at the 1932 price, and then
Did you secure?
Okay, no, I was just holding. I'm like, okay, you know what? It's only like, it's right there. See that big bullish green candle there?
This one.
With no wick at the top? Oh yeah, if you go back to the one, yeah. So basically around there was this morning when I woke up, it was price was there, and I'm like, okay, you know what? I'll just hold in and wait, right? But I could have just closed there because we're at the resistance, and then waited till the New York, waited whole pre-New York to see what would happen, and then I could have gotten in again at 1921, perfectly fine at like 8 o'clock in the morning, where we're like, you know what I mean, well into the stream.
Yeah,
Whereas,
I think maybe
like,
you can.
I was holding the trade for no reason.
Yeah, just keep your profits first and then come back again. Because if you keep your profits, technically you're not entering with your own money anymore. You're entering with your profits, right?
Yeah, you're right. Yeah,
but at least you kept the profits first. Because I've noticed that in Asia, yes, gold does move until 10 a.m. Eastern. Then after that, it just chills. And then it becomes really tiny. So this whole area from like, where is it? Yeah, even in London, it doesn't move much also. It only comes in
I should have noticed that, like, you know.
Yeah, so see, this whole area here is London. It's tiny candles. Yeah, tiny candles. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Just keep your money in your pocket first, then re-enter with your profits.
Yeah.
All right, I think that's it for me. I'm gonna go get head out.
Bye bye. Weren't you supposed to go study already?
Oh no, that's not me.
Oh shoots, I'm mixing everybody up. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, that was Julian. It was Julian, yes. My bad.
Alright.
Bye
Good luck with the rest of
bye.
the stream. See you.
Take
Bye
care.
bye. Okay, so if this 15 closes bullish, I will consider an entry. Depending on how it closes bullish.
Well, if it closes underneath that that minor support there, right? That we have at 900, like 15 to 930 or whatever.
GJ?
Yeah, you see GJ?
This one that I drew earlier?
Yeah, this minor, you know, very, very minor.
Yeah.
If it closes bullish under that, then I would say like
no, I won't take
the day's done, you know?
Yeah, correct. So I want it to close above.
Yeah.
But that will make my risk reward funky.
Yeah, it definitely will, you know?
Yes. It's a funky
You're
risk
kind of
reward.
banking on like the third move of the day.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Technically, if this was a new swing, this price should just consolidate and then tomorrow make the second swing. So remember, like yesterday I was drawing the that thingy, this thingy. So now we are here. So it has to correct, and then now then after that we're looking for this.
100%. So I guess we'll come back to it and get it.
Yeah. So it depends on how this 15 closes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Leroy. Between 378 and 200. Let's see. Yeah, this whole area here is dirty.
Yeah. It's not good.
Yeah, it's just chilling now. We'll see. I mean, if I end today negative, it's fine.
How many trades did you take today?
Only one.
The one from
London.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Yep, Joe, you're right.
Even this trade idea that you got, like you're waiting for price to close above 0.27? Kind of like price to close above it, or once price gets there, you're gonna...
No, I want to watch for the close.
Okay, you want to see it close?
Yes. This is just like for me to know that this is only 1:1.
Yeah.
So you know I'm not a fan of that. I prefer to be at least 1:1.5. At least.
I understand.
Yeah. Zhao, close. You don't quite manage yet closing the day rate. Look at the bigger picture. I think you're up on the week. If you overtrade today, you're gonna eat into the rest of the week's profits. Tony, I'm not in. I am just... The candle hasn't closed.
Oh, Zhao, yeah, you're definitely right. It's hard to close the day in the red. But if you it's something you definitely need to practice and work on, because like we come every day, we come on the stream, like every day we're here. Not one day we're not here.
Yeah, man.
You know?
There's a lot of chances.
Our capital's not here every day.
Yes, yes. Oh, that's... I shall make a quote of that and tag you. Our capital is not here every day. Yeah. I think part of the learning process of trading is either you hit so many losses and you get pissed off and you stop trading, or you get so many losses you just suck it up and trade properly and you stop taking too many trades. Less is really more. Don't forget, every time you click the mouse, you're paying the broker. So don't pay them. Yeah. Yeah, swing is a lot slower, so. Alright, bye Gee. Go, go, go. You were supposed to go earlier. No, Evan, I'm not in anything. I'm waiting for the close. Yes, sir. So I need price to close above this 15-minute support and from 15-minute 15-minute, this 15-minute zone, and then this support to close above. Then I will consider the trade. But it doesn't seem like it's gonna happen. Okay, so gross just below that 15-minute zone. I'm not taking a long. I think it's taking a break to do something in a bit. Yep, it's waiting for volume. So if it closes like this, I'm willing to wait for another 15 minutes before I consider the longs. 2-pack. Thoughts on GN cells? Ooh, let's see. Do you have a chart? Can I have a look? If not, then I'll have to draw my zones. It's clean on the daily going down. On the 4-hour, you might see a bit of resistance here at 194. So it looks like you might be at the end. So if I were to short, I would wait for it to break below 194. Because 194 is here. So 194 is a 4-hour support. So if you look at this area here, you would want to be trading only once price breaks below. If not, then you'll be heading right into resistance, I think. And I don't think the risk reward is good. Let's see. Yeah, if I measured it above the wick, risk reward is negative, so not for me. I would wait till it's below 194, because on the daily you still have some more space to fall to 192.5. What's the legal age for trading? Does anyone know? Is it like 18 or 21? In Portugal. I think if anyone's above 18, more or less I should be safe, right? Because I just sent a 20-year-old links to learn how to trade. I don't think I did anything wrong though. Age to open a proper bank account. Oh, then it should be 18. But if they use their parents' account, then that's not their own, right? So technically, they're not legal yet. But I think if he's only learning, it's not my problem. Yeah, I think some countries is 18. But well, I'm not telling him to trade. I'm just, he can learn if he wants. So, we'll see. Nothing wrong with learning. Because I, like my streams, I think there was a setting where I set it for no one below 18. Yeah, I think it's 18. Right. Bye, Winnie. No, it's not meant for kids. Age restriction. Oh. Don't restrict. Who else? Oh, is YouTube banned in any country other than China? I'm not showing my MT5 anymore then. Oh, shit. Okay. That's a very good point. Thank you for telling me, Beirut. Don't want to get sued for nothing. Yes, I saw it just now when Guy was talking about it. So I told him that because he was already long bias on it earlier, he could have got a second entry here when it formed support and then broke and then came back to test. So he could have gotten an entry like this with his stop loss below, then go up to the 1 hour highs. Because the structure was quite obvious. Wow, that was a $14 move, which is 140 pips, if I'm not wrong. Or is that 1004? Is this the pip or gold? I think so. Yeah, possibly, Zhao. Let's see on the left. Yeah, but we're at previous resistance though. If you look at the hour, it pinned so many times. And then so I would be careful going long here. The 1 hour, yes, 1950, you're right. Okay, so on GJ, right, on this close, this would be the break, and then this would be the retest. So earlier it was a wick close. So now on this candle, right, it gives me confirmation, especially if this 15-minute closes above the previous 15-minute resistance. So if you are still looking for trades, potentially this is what I see it going to. Bye, Beirut. Thank you. See you tomorrow. So minimally it should go to 138,400. And then after that, we should be heading to 700. Yes, 200 has a resistance here. Correct. So if I were to enter this on the close, it will only be for half risk. Oh, no wick. I'm not in yet. I'm waiting to see if it pulls back. Because there's no wick. So after it pulls back and then it breaks the body, I will be half in. If it doesn't come back up to break the wick, then no entry for me. Yeah, it should go up. It's just that I'm being a bit more cautious with the pullback, because if it's too deep, I don't want to be sitting in drawdown. So I'm just gonna let it come down and then show me that it wants to go back up. Oh, I don't get why the bullish candle should have a wick at top. Shouldn't it tell you the bullish momentum is extremely strong if there's no upper wick? So if there's an upper wick, right, and then it's like these candles here. It's like these candles here. So like this candle pushed and then it stopped. And then the next candle became bearish. So sometimes upper wicks actually mean rejections also. But in this case, because we're going in line with trend, so I would want to see at least a bit of wick to at least show that they managed to push a bit higher. But I do get what you mean. It's just that usually when I notice that a candle has no wick, it tends to pull back a bit deeper than I like. So I usually just chill and wait first. So if it pulls back and then comes back up again, then I will enter. But if it doesn't come back up, then at least I saved my money. So the wick or no wick situation is just an extra precaution that I have noticed. So on this candle, right, if it moves nearer and nearer towards the 30-minute close, then I'll just wait for the 30 to close, because that would give me even more info. Especially if it closes above its own 30-minute resistance. Wow. Something that should not be taken. Damn. No, Jack, I'm not in yet. Not in yet. Yes, Zhao, I agree with you. Now that we're 10 minutes into, we're like 5 minutes into the candle, right? It makes sense to just wait. So if I wait on the 30, my stop loss can be smaller. Then my risk reward becomes better. So I will wait for the 30. So I would want to see this 30-minute candle close above this resistance. If not, I will not take an entry. Bye, OG. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Right, we are coming up. I'm gonna fix my 34-inch after this. I'll join you. I hope my graphics card can take both. So I'm waiting for this 30-minute to close bullish above this resistance, then I will be in. Right. Stop loss numbers are all here. Okay, the two red ones. Yeah, I'm not in. Okay. It closed below. Because if it closes below, my fear is it might bounce off 138,200. So I am not in. Right. Anyone have any last minute questions? If not, then I will close off the stream. Yep. No problem, guys. See you tomorrow. So again, if anyone's not on the Discord, the link is on your page. Just join it and then the Zoom links will be posted inside. Feel free to join it. Okay? If not, YouTube will still continue. Anything, just DM me on IG. Okay? Good night, everybody. Or good morning, good afternoon. Yeah, L Gang. Yeah, the L gang. You come up with a cooler name. Right. Don't overtrade, guys. We still have Thursday and Friday. Good night, everybody. Evan, I didn't even go in. No entry for me. I had nothing from this big move. Nothing. No worries, everybody. Bye, Kelly. Bye, Ella, Jack. 2-pack. Okay.